Unit 1, Introduction to Computer Systems. In this session, we are going to see laser printers, its working, advantage and disadvantages. A printer is a hardware output device that is used to generate hard copy and to print any document. A document can be of any type, such as a text file, image, or combination of both. It accepts input command by users on a computer or on other devices to print the document. In the classification of printers, laser printer is classified as non-impact printer. A laser printer is a type of printer that uses a laser and electrical charge model instead of the traditional printing of ink onto paper. Laser printers have increased the neatness and sophistication of print objects with typical resolution of 600 dots per inch or higher. Laser printers working can be explained in 7 steps. They are image processing, charging, exposing, developing, transferring, fusing, cleaning. Step 1 is image processing. Once you click on the print command on a certain document or image, the computer immediately sends the information to the laser printer's internal memory. Here, the printout data is stored and prepared for processing. Step 2 is charging. The laser printer starts warming up, the corona wire heats up and gets ready to transfer its positive static charge to the metal cylinder drum. Step 3 is exposing. In this step, while the drum rotates, it receives a positive charge throughout its entire surface. Some laser printers, particularly all-in-one color models, have 4 drums catering to each color. The colors are cyan, magenta, yellow and black. A laser is then activated and beamed to a chain of mirrors and reflected throughout the drum surface. The reflected laser beam creates an outline of your print through an opposite negative electrical charge. Step 4 is developing. In laser printer, positively charged carbon toner powder is gradually released from the toner cartridge onto the drum while it rolls. The positively charged toner powder strikes to the negatively charged laser beamed areas since opposite charges attract. Meanwhile, positively charged areas on the drum are left without any trace of toner. Step 5 is transferring. The paper or media slides across the printer, receives a positive charge via the transfer belt. While it moves through the drum, the negatively charged toner gets drawn to the paper's surface and conforms to your print outline. Step 6 is fusing. In this step, heated rollers called the fuser unit melts the toner onto the paper. Your document or image is imprinted into the page and is then ejected from the printer as the final printout. Step 7 is cleaning and recharging. Before the drum completes its revolution, it is subjected to an electrically neutral soft plastic blade and cleaned from residual toner. The excess toner is then deposited into a waste reservoir. Finally, the newly cleaned drum receives a fresh negative charge on its surface from a charge roller, preparing it for another laser beam round. Advantages of laser printers are: the main advantage of laser printers is its speed and efficiency at which it prints high quality graphics and text. Laser printers produce high quality output as compared to other printers. Laser printers are quiet and does not produce disturbing sounds. They are also capable to produce color prints. The main disadvantages of laser printers are: they are relatively costly compared to other printers. The maintenance, repair and servicing charges are too high compared to other printers. Laser printers emit small amount of ozone and they are harmful for health and the environment.